Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Sanjivani Sugar Factory down for past 8 days due to machinery failure. Almost 10,000 tons of sugarcane dried up. Minister assures compensation for cultivators. Congress Yuvraj Rahul Gandhi to visit Goa on 20th December to address NSUI Youth Brigade, MLAs and state leaders. Sources say Rahul on mission Lok Sabha poll. Congress NCP combined of Maharashtra dramatizing woes of Tilari people. Will act when time comes, warns CM to the agitating people at Sateli, says won't tolerate stopping Tilari water. And state police to have Sat Samvad with community. CM launches campaign, advises police to maintain good relation and rapport with public. Now the news in detail. Sanjivani Sugar Factory operations and cane crushing is on a halt for the past 8 days as the alternator is out of service. Around 10,000 tons of sugarcane has been wasted, but Cooperation Minister Deepak Davlikar has assured that government would provide compensation to the sugarcane cultivators. Davlikar also said that Sanjivani operations will likely resume on Monday.
The sugarcane crushing and sugar production season at Sanjeevani factory Dharbandura has just begun from the first week of November, but the alternator, a vital part of the machinery, has played a spoilsport. The factory operations are on hold for past almost 8 days and thousands of tons of sugarcane has dried up as the cane crushing machinery is down. The sugarcane cultivators are worried about the crop loss, but the Minister Deepak Davlikar has assured them of full compensation. He has also said that Sanjeevani will likely begin operations from Monday.
Major part alternator म्हणटा तो फेल जालो आणि तो पार्ट मेळपाक आमी खूब प्रयत्न केले. कोल्हापुरा मागीर जयसिंगपूर, इचलकरंजी सगळ्या कडेन ज्यांच्या कडेन शुगर कारखाने जंय खंय आसा थंय आमी ताबडतोब विचारपूस केली, पूण तातूंतल्यान आमकां मुंबय एक पार्ट अवेलेबल आसा अशें आमकां मेळ्ळें आनी आमी मुंबयच्यान पयर तो पार्ट हाडलो राती. पूण जें कितें शेतकऱ्या हेजे मदीं लुकसाण जालां, जवळ जवळ 10,000 टनाचो जो उसाचें लुकसाण जालां, कापून सुकला, तें शेतकऱ्याक लुकसाण भरपाई सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी दितले. त्याची चिंता करपाची गरज शेतकऱ्यांनी ना. सगळ्या शेतकऱ्यांनी शुगरकेन शेतकऱ्यांनी आमकां सहकार्य केला. नवे टेक्निकल नो हाव तांकां दिल्ले आसा, नवे बरे ऑफिसर आमी थंय अपॉयंट केल्ले आसा आनी हें 1 लाख प्रोडक्शन तर 2 वर्सां जालें तर कंप्लीट शुगर फॅक्टरीची मशिनरी बदलून नवं तंत्रज्ञान जें आयलां तें आमी शुगर कारखान्याक वचून प्रोडक्शन सुरू करतले.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Rahul Gandhi will visit Goa on Thursday, 20th December as a part of upcoming Lok Sabha poll preparations. A Congress mega convention is also being planned in January. On Thursday, Rahul Gandhi will interact with NSUI members, party MLAs and state party leaders at Donapal. Sources say Rahul Gandhi will play a key role in upcoming Lok Sabha polls and his Goa visit is a part of this job.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be in Goa on 20th December. He will address NSUI, a student wing of Congress party. State leaders feel that Rahul's interaction will charge party students and youth brigade. Rahul will also likely discuss party level strategy for Lok Sabha poll. When questioned, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar confirmed the Goa visit of Yuvraj Rahul Gandhi.
20 तारखेक येता.
20 तारीख येता न्ही सर. कितें म्हणून फंक्शन अशें आसतलें?
ना तो ऑफिस बेरर्स बी आसता न्ही, एमएलए ऑफिस बेरर तांकां मेळपा येता. तो इंटरॅक्ट विथ द पार्टी वर्कर्स.
ओके. आणि यूथ कन्वेंशन बीन तशें कितें आसतलें?
ना कन्वेंशन ना.
ओके 20 तारीख येता न्ही.
20 तारखेक येता 20 तारखेक.
Most probably, Rahul Gandhi will address a mega convention of almost 5,000 people in the first or second week of January. This mega convention was supposed to be in December, but it has been postponed as state will be busy in Christmas celebration and New Year festivities. But it is clear that Rahul Baba has begun his mission Lok Sabha poll. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says political tussle between Congress and NCP has resulted in the ongoing Tilari crisis. He has termed it a staged political drama. He was speaking at Nana Shirgaonkar Sangeet Sammelan in Asnoda. While expressing solidarity towards the project-affected people agitating at Sateli, he has warned of a legal recourse if the agitation continues beyond limit. Agitators have blocked the Tilari Canal, which has resulted in an acute water supply shortage to North Goa.
CM Parrikar has come down heavily on the Congress and NCP combined in Maharashtra for dramatizing the Tilari affected families issue. He was speaking at the Nana Shirgaonkar Sangeet Sammelan in Asnoda.
पॉलिटिकल नाटकाची एनसीपीची काँग्रेसची लढाई तातूंतल्यान उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम कोणाचे भुरग्याचे प्रश्न सोडया आमी कितें मदत करूंक जाय नोकरी दिवपाची अर्थ जाली जाल्यार मागीर प्रश्न आसला तियारीचे जर तूं दिले जाल्यार मागीर अर्जुनाची कित्याक नाका साळोवलेच्या कित्याक नाका प्रकल्पग्रस्तांक नोकरी दिवप केन्नाच कॉन्सेप्ट अजून पर्यंत तरी सरकारान मान्य करूंक ना बाकी कितें मदत करूंक हांव करता ते राजकारणीच लोक कोण मारतात एकामेकाच्या विरुद्धाची झगडी जालो राजकारण्यांची तातूंतल्यान तिळारी घेणारे उदक म्हाका हांगा तिळारी घेणारे उदक हाडायलें तातूंतून प्रश्न वचून म्हाका एक समजत ना ते करिना हें राजकारण तांचें चालू आसा 2 दीस वाट पळयतना मागीर नाल्यार कितें करपाचें तें करतले उदक सोडपाक त्या आंदोलनाक कांय एक संबंद ना कलेक्टर बारीक उदक सोडल्या पुरो कालव्याच्या खूब आमकां उदक इतलो मेळूंक जाय अशें काय ना कोणाक भिजपाचो अजुनूय कितें फरक पडटा हांव हें सांगता कित्याक करपाची इच्छा आसल्यार करपाक येता चल्ल्या ती नाटकां चल्ल्या आनी ते जे कोण आंदोलन करता पळय तांच्या बद्दल म्हाका सिंपथी आसा तांकांय खबर आसा की गोंय सरकाराची कांय चूक ना पूण शेवटी सफर जर आमी जातले जाल्यार आमकां खंय तरी ताचेर एक्शन घेवचें पडटलें.
A reporter from Asnoda, Shamsundar Fatte.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.